as they did at Champs, but that's understandable. After Champs, we had the pen relays. A couple went to a meet in Maryland and probably would have tapered off just a bit.
There's Carifta after. Carifta pen relays, and a few went to the overseas meets. But a lot has been said about the work required to be done right after Champs. Yeah. Schoolwork.
Semi-final 2, we've got Franklin, Bennett, Jones, Johnson, James, and Robinson. Brandon Bennett took the silver at the Carifta Games in the under-17 division behind Mark Daniel Allen, who ran just now. Bennett clocked 13.67 there, second in Class 2 this year at Champs in 14.03.
So the boys are ready, and we should be able to introduce them now.
All 6 who were listed have reported. Starting in lane 2, Romario Franklin from Titchfield.
15:50 is his listed time.
Lane 3, Brandon Bennett from Kingston College.
The favorite in this section.
13:47.
Lane 4, Jaron Jones from Green Island.
A 13:97 time.
Running out of lane 5 from William Nabe, O'Shea Johnson.
13:76, one of the favorites.
Lane 6 from Camperdown, Sanjay James.
14:02 his time, seeded time.
And in lane 7 from Petersfield, completing the lineup, Shamario Robinson.
All right, so to be comfortable to qualify for the final, if you don't finish in the top 3,
on your
you
mark,
have to run faster than 15 seconds.
Second, the semi-final under 18 boys, 110-meter hurdles. Again, the top 3 will seal automatic tickets to the final. And the next 2 best times will advance as well from the semis. Franklin, Bennett, Jones, Johnson, James, and Robinson.
Set.
Off they go. Well, a break at the start.
I saw a twitch from Franklin of Titchfield.
Well, lane number 3, was it? Or 2?
2.
Lane 2, let's see. Didn't leave the blocks, but seems to have been.
Uh-oh. Well, maybe we have to go back a little further. Let's see. When they take that much... Oh, I thought it was a warning. But now we're getting a green card. Sure they'll take that.
Petersfield athlete getting some words there.
Oh, I think Robinson is supposed to be in lane 7 and he's in lane 8. That would be an explanation. So Daniel and Spencer, we don't know if there was an issue with the start. Could it have been that the starter's assistant said nobody's in lane 8? So we need to call it back?
Seems to be the issue here.
Well, we saw the green card come out.
Well, I'm wondering if we couldn't just switch the blocks.
There's a lot of start. Well, remember the block sensors are also on it. So the lane 8 reaction time block sensor is on the block in lane 8. So it's not as simple. It's probably just easier to set your blocks.
This is young Shamaria Robinson of Petersfield.
I wonder how you ended up in lane 8.
That's what I'm wondering as well, Bruce.
Right, in the call room, they'll tell you what lane you're in. They tell you the heat and the lane. That's essentially all that happens in the call room. You're in this heat and you're in this lane. And they make sure your spikes are fine, that you're not wearing anything you're not supposed to wear.
He was just so focused, it just didn't matter to him. He's in a lane.
Give me a lane.
They're all straight.
Okay, again, you want to be sub 15, but only 5 can go through from this semi-final. The top 3 automatic. 6 space to starter. So a maximum of 5 athletes from this heat go through.
Semi-final 1 completed in 13.62 seconds. the top finisher, Tafari Levy of Jamaica College. Let's see how semi-final 2 will unfold. Brandon Bennett of Kingston College in lane 3, the favorite. Away they go this time. Bennett got up fairly well. So too Johnson of William Knibb, who is very much in the thick of things at this stage. So it's from Kingston College, Brandon Bennett alongside Johnson of William Knibb. Bennett and Johnson, those two deciding the top 2 places. The flash time, 13.64 seconds. And that is the official time for the winner, O'Shea Johnson of William Knibb. 13.72 for the runner-up, Brandon Bennett of Kingston College. 14.12 for the third place finisher, Jaron Jones of Green Island.
Race to the first hurdle won by O'Shea Johnson of William Knibb. At this stage, though, Bennett hits the hurdle hard. And Johnson, Bennett, neck and neck. Clearly, Bennett of Kingston College decided top 3 go through. I'm going to relax off hurdle number 10, whereas O'Shea Johnson of William Knibb was pushing. So let's see them. They're off hurdle 10. You see Johnson of William Knibb in the green, leaning hard. Bennett of KC in the purple and white, running through straight up. So we now have the finalists.
O'Shea Johnson, 13.64. Brandon Bennett, 13.72. Jaron Jones, 14.12. This semi, 0.02 of a second slower for the winner than compared to semi-final 1.
And only one athlete going below 15 seconds by time. That's Sanjay James of Camperdown. So he makes it to the final by time. Zahir Narasingh of Campion College, 15.01, qualified from semi-final number 1.